And some breaking news coming in at this moment. Bakeries and private outlets in Kerala will withdraw stocks of Maggi following government order to stop the sale from government outlets. The stocks will be back only after a clarification from the government. States like Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have all sent samples of Maggi for testing. Revati now joins us with all the latest. Revati, so far as Kerala was concerned, these packets were removed only from government outlets, 1,000 of them. Now it seems that there are some private bakeries as well as private outlets also who are not stocking Maggi. Have they been instructed to do so?
Sanket, no, they have not received any instructions from government or any bodies to withdraw the stocks in these outlets. But since the government outlets have, around 1,400 government outlets have stopped the sale of these Maggi packets, they're just taking the safe side. They're just scared that just in case there is a food safety raid and if there is something wrong with the packets, they will be caught. And just so that they are safe, on the safe side, that they have ordered all their other outlets to take off the stocks away as well. Places like Big Bazaar has already received instructions from their higher heads saying that the stocks must be withdrawn. Other small outlets in the city, bakeries and other upscale markets in the city has also taken the step just to be on the safe side. And also the test result of the government laboratories on the sample packets of Maggi says that the lead is within permissible limit, but the content of the level of MSG, the result will be available only in 2 days, after which the government will take a decision whether to restart the sale of these packets or not. And only after the government gives such a clarification will the retail outlets, the other private outlets and bakeries and these small outlets will be sure and confident to go ahead and sell these packets.
Okay, Revati, many thanks for joining us at this moment. In fact, there's no end to the raging controversy over the country's popular food option, Maggi noodles. After 7 of the 13 samples failed safety tests, the Delhi government has put an immediate hold on Maggi for the next 15 days. The Kejriwal government will also initiate a case against Nestle for misbranding of the product. The entire controversy began when the UP FDA last month asked Nestle India to withdraw a batch of Maggi noodles which were manufactured in February 2014 after excessive MSG, a taste enhancer, was found in it. Those results pushed a lot of states to send Maggi samples for testing.
मार्केट के अंदर जितने भी ब्रांड्स हैं उन सभी ब्रांड्स के सैंपल्स लिए जाएं और उनको चेक करने के आदेश दिए हैं। आज मॉर्निंग में मैगी कंपनी के कुछ लोग मिलने के लिए आए थे, ऑफिसर्स मिलने के लिए आए थे। उन्होंने अपना सबमिशन दिया था। उस सबमिशन से हम पूरी तरह सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हैं। सरकार ने 15 दिन के लिए फॉर 15 डेज मैगी के ऊपर बैन लगाया है और कंपनी को आदेश दिया जाता है कि वो अपना दिल्ली के अंदर जितना भी स्टॉक है उस सारे स्टॉक को हटा ले और नया स्टॉक प्रॉपर चेकिंग कराने के बाद ही दिल्ली के अंदर यूज़ करे।
Controversy doesn't seem to stop over a Maggi after a total ban on Maggi in Kerala, and samples taken from several other parts of the country have also been found harmful for the consumption of people. A big blow came from the Future Group, whose biggest retail outlet chain, Big Bazaar, has ordered to remove the Maggi from the shelves. The government-run Kendriya Bhandar has already followed the suit. I'm standing outside one of the store of Big Bazaar in Mayur Vihar. I try to sneak inside the store to check whether the sale of Maggi is still on. But interestingly, the Maggi at this particular store is already out of shelves. We also tried to speak to the store manager here, who refused to comment and divulge any details about the order. However, the empty shelves inside are being filled with the noodles of the other brand. However, the Delhi government is yet to take the decision on the ban across the city. In Delhi with camera person Siddharth Safaya, this is Swati for India Today.
Now, Maggi is facing intense heat from across the country. Massive protests were held in Ghaziabad, Bihar and Punjab. States like Rajasthan, Himachal, Gujarat, Punjab, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have sent Maggi samples for testing. The Bihar government will decide on Maggi's fate today. Now, Maggi is also off the shelves from leading stores like Big Bazaar, Easy Day. Both Army and Navy have suspended the sale of the product in the canteen. Meanwhile, sample tests in few states like Goa, Kerala and Maharashtra have declared the lead content within permissible limits in the Nestle India product.
the recent issue pertaining to this Maggie issue, I think that if it is an adulterated food item, certainly without any hesitation we should go against it. Not only that, if necessary, if the health department feels that certain stringent laws to be brought in as far as adulterated food items are concerned, certainly we will work on it.
Had issued an advisory to all states and told them to take the samples of Maggie noodles and report us by 1st June. The states have started sending the reports. Few states are left. We are waiting for the reports to come. Accordingly, action will be taken.
Sir, FCCI
no laxity will be left on. No laxity will be there, and appropriate action will be taken accordingly.
As Maggie runs into hot water, the union government is also mulling strict action. Law Minister Sadanand Gowda has said that if need be, a new law can be made over food adulteration.